Good evening. It's 6:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, July 25th. Let's see. Evening update. Litecoin. I see a lot of counteraction to this dump that the market maker is trying to initiate. He already got it down below the 12 and the 26 EMA, and he's actively trying to crash the price, but there is strong resistance over here. You see when the depth is flattened out like this? That means he's got a lot of buy resistance. Somebody's wised up to what they're doing. There goes the market maker's trade. You see it's ever present. 1501. I think it's 39. Look on the other side. No, it's 1503.73. 1503.72. You see? These are the market maker's two trades. This is how he's manipulating the price. Two same market size trades. If he wants it to go down, he moves the both of them down. If he really wants it to crash, he removes the bottom wall. But in this case, it's just not his bottom wall that's there. It looks like people are putting up resistance. I honestly think there's whales out there that are catching on, that they might be reviewing my channel, because my channel is becoming quite controversial. I keep getting people saying, you don't know what you're talking about. Okay, here's the data. Here's the letter. Here's the trades. Do the math. And you tell me what's wrong with that math. And all of a sudden I hear crickets. You're trading. You should have at least an inkling or a clue about math. And if you're on a trading floor that says they're just like NASDAQ and they're supposedly their form of securities, you don't know what the market maker is supposed to do. You know, there's cases where the market maker's been caught manipulating the market in NASDAQ, and they had to pay a $1 billion settlement. And then you're telling me on this unregulated one that the market maker's not going to manipulate so he can get a $2 spread? People, come on, don't be that stupid. Don't be a sucker to Brian Armstrong and Charlie Lee. Don't be a sucker. Crypto's a good idea, but these exchanges, they're predatory exchanges. They're taking a good idea. They know people are interested in crypto, and these guys are doing some finagling here. Clear to see. You don't have to believe me. Go. I have the letter posted on my channel. I'll show you again where it is. Read the letter that the New York Department of Financial Services initiated investigation. The letter's right here. You see it has 50 views. It's the one with the most views. Just read the letter that Coinbase stated. Then you take the information that Coinbase provided. You come back here and you do the calculations to see if it is in fact true. And as far as I'm concerned, every time I checked it, none of the trades are equidistant at the market maker posters, nor are they 40 to 44 cents away. And he is manipulating the market using those two trades. In other words, he fabricated that, well, then the market moves, and then I move my trades accordingly. No, that's not true. His trades move first. I got plenty of videos, and then the mid-market price changes. Then the market reacts to him, not the other way around. It's all fabricated. The market's rigged. The market maker's rigging it. Why is the market maker rigging it? To get a $2 spread. Why does he want a $2 spread? For each coin he moves, he gets $2. If it goes above $100, what happens to the spread? It starts to narrow. Why does it start to narrow? Because the demands on his cash and his coin get higher. He has less capital to initiate a $2 spread if the price goes up higher. It's that easy. There's really nothing else left to understand about this. And I keep warning you people, not because I'm trying to make people's lives miserable. I'm trying to warn people so you don't get ripped off. And that's what these guys are doing. Now, somebody had the common sense, one of these whales that said, you know what? We're tired of this bullshit of you dumping at will and rating everybody's stop losses. Because that's what he's also doing. And 1 o'clock in the morning, we watch and see 1 o'clock in the morning or late at night, he'll come in and dump, trigger everybody's stop losses, get all the coin on the cheap, and raise the price back up right where it was when he began. These people are crooks. This market maker doesn't want to go to the over-the-counter because it's cheaper if he manipulates you out of your coin and gets your coin cheaper than he can get it over the counter. It's that easy. Why should he go get a discounter over the counter when he could five-finger discount it right out of you with the stop loss triggering? This market's absolutely amazing that what they get away with. They believe they're unregulated. There's a shitstorm coming, and they have no idea. They have no idea what's coming at them. So I was thinking that some of them do, because this is some. We haven't been oversold in Litecoin now for over a month. The last time we were oversold was June 12th. And it struggled to even get up to here, up to 70. We're not seeing the same activity we've seen before. And I bet you if you check this trade right here, it's probably the market makers as well. You see? They do not want that price going up. And if after further investigating, if this is what one market makers, you see 105,373? 105,372. Those are the market makers trades. Now let's check them using the simple formula so I can see what we're talking about here. Okay? Now the market maker, Coinbase came to bat for their market maker and claimed that, let me clear that he wasn't manipulating the market. He was placing his trades equidistant from the mid-market price. Let's see if that's true. 94.34. And he's placing them 40 to 44 cents, so it's not to look like he's manipulating the spread. That's why they said that. Okay. Does that look like 40 to 44 cents? And why would you state that in the letter that he's the market maker's posting his trades 40 to 44 cents? To cover up the ridiculous spread that he's getting at $2. Okay? Now let's do the other one. Minus, now we just go to the bottom wall. We look where that is. 92.66. $1.04. So you got a 40 cents difference from the mid-market price. And if the top wall is closer to the mid-market price than the bottom wall, which is on the buy side, that means the market maker is trying to manipulate the price down. It's simple. These aren't equidistant. They stated a false sort of 40 to 44 cents away from the mid-market price to cover up that they were indeed manipulating the spread. So it's all there. It's all there. Contrary to what they say on that piece of paper that they gave, that written excuse that they sent to the New York Department of Financial Services, these guys are lying through their teeth. Why? Because they're manipulating the market to benefit the market maker. And Coinbase is either in collusion with the market maker or just too fucking dumb to run an exchange properly. That's it, people. Take your pick. Harsh reality can be cruel sometimes. But that's what's happening. It's just an active way that this market maker trades, because gets no repercussions for his illegal activity. And Coinbase knows this is illegal activity. I asked them to go to arbitration twice, the legal way, to their legal department, and they refused to answer 2 certified letters, which I know they had proof of. I have proof of delivery. I even have the officer's name who signed for it. And then they wonder why Adam White left this and went to Beck. Why he ditched Coinbase. Because the military man don't put himself in with a bunch of crooks. So there you go, people. The proof is in the math. You don't have to believe me. You don't have to like me. You don't even have to subscribe to me. The math does not lie.